What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Lion Claw Minimalist Aluminum Wallet. Now, I just want to take a special thanks to Lion Claw for sending me this because they wanted me to do a review on it. Now, cracking it open, we have the aluminum money clip wallet. It comes with a little bag of screws, and it also comes with a screwdriver. Now, the screwdriver is used to, if you want to take off this money clip, you can unscrew each of the screws, take the money clip out, and then put the screws back in. But for this video, I'm just going to leave the money clip on because I need somewhere to put my bills. Now, it has a really sleek design. This wallet has all the benefits of a bigger wallet in a compact form. This wallet I stand by 100%. This is my favorite product. Now, I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'm going to put a couple of my cards in there. I'm only putting about 4 or 5 cards in right now, but it can hold up to 12 cards. So you just pry the middle part open and you slide your cards in like this. Now, when you want to take one of your cards out, this wallet has an awesome design where you just push in right here and your cards will pop out and you can get which one you want out. Just like that, super easy. If you want to put it back in, bam, just like that. Now, the awesome thing about this money clip is it's super tight. Your money isn't going to go anywhere. So I'm just going to put my life savings in here real quick. Just like this. Now, you can see I only put $2 in and it's not going anywhere. Like, it'll go a little bit side to side, just a little bit, but it's not going to fall out of your wallet. This money clip is awesome. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better wallet. I'm going to put the link in the description in case you guys want to get your own, which I highly recommend. You can't go wrong with this wallet. Look how sleek it is. I mean, this thing is made by quality products, not cheaply made at all. I highly recommend it. So I'll leave a link in the description. If you guys could check out the rest of my channel, I have a lot of product reviews. I'm starting to do a lot of other things. So just like, comment, and subscribe. And happy 4th of July, guys. Take care.